Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we learned what dictionaries are and how to handle them. Today we are going to summarize all the collection data types that we learned till now, which are lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below or email me at saket.saketlabs@gmail.com. I'd love to help. And before we jump in, if you are enjoying this Python series, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future lessons. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to create more awesome tutorials for you. Alright, let's get started. So let's go over each of the properties and discuss about all the data types here. So let's start with the syntax. We use square braces to initialize lists, and to initialize tuples we use parentheses, and to initialize sets we use flower braces, and for dictionaries also we use flower braces itself, but the elements in the dictionary are key value pairs. And when it comes to order, lists preserve order. As we access the elements of the lists using indexes, the list needs to be ordered. Same goes with the tuple as well. During our previous lessons, we have seen that the Python sets didn't preserve the order. The version of Python that I am running is 3.14, but the Python starting from the Python 3.7, the insertion order for sets is preserved. And same goes with the dictionary as well. Starting from the Python 3.7, the orders are preserved. Talking about mutability, lists are mutable. As we know, we were able to insert elements to lists, remove elements from the lists, and manipulate the lists. Hence it is mutable. Whereas when it comes to tuples, we couldn't manipulate the tuples at all. There was no methods supported for manipulation of tuples. Hence it is not mutable. It is immutable. Sets, we were able to modify the values of sets. So it is mutable. And same with the dictionaries as well. When it comes to duplication, lists allow duplication. Same goes with the tuples. And when it comes to sets, we know sets only retain the unique value. Hence duplicates are not allowed in sets. In dictionary, the keys cannot be duplicated. For example, if a dictionary had a key called name, and if we try to add value for key name again, it gets overwritten. Hence it is not duplicated. When it comes to indexes, we were able to access elements out of lists using index, so it is indexable. Same goes with the tuple as well. But when it comes to set, as we didn't have the order preserved, so we can say it is not indexable. And when it comes to dictionary, we used to access element using keys. So dictionaries can be indexed using keys. Iterable. We'll cover the iterations topic in the coming videos. For now, let's just say iteration is going through the lists one by one element at a time. So lists can be iterated one element at a time. Same goes with tuples, sets, and dictionaries as well. Elements types. As we know, all types are acceptable in lists, tuples, and dictionaries also. We learned about the nested dictionaries as well. So we can say values could be of any type, whereas the keys were hashable only. Hashable in the sense, if a value of some variable remains same throughout the time. For example, if the value of a variable is saket, and if I try to pass it through a hash function and it always returns the same value, we say it is hashable. So if the keys are hashable, then the keys should be hashable. So then So the keys should be hashable and the values can be of any type. So if we want to change the elements of any list, if we come to list, it is possible via indexes or using methods. When it comes to tuples, it is not possible as it is immutable. And when it comes to sets, we can either remove or add elements to it. And in dictionaries, we can modify the values by using keys. These are the common methods in each of these data types. We have append, extend, insert, remove, pop, sort and reverse in lists data type. In tuples, we have only count and index as it is immutable. And when it comes to set, we had add, remove, discard, insertion, union and difference. And in dictionaries, we have keys, values, items, get, update and pop. Coming to performance, lists are slower than tuples. As the list is mutable, it has many functions, so it has to maintain few code blocks to maintain the list. So it is compared to tuples, it is little slower. As tuples are immutable, it needs only count and index operation, so it is faster than lists. When it comes to sets, set stores values using hashes. So we'll be able to access the elements out of sets in the very fast. So it is fast. And when it comes to dictionary, we access the values using keys. Again, keys are to access keys. We use hashes to access keys, to find keys. So it is faster. And the use cases for lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries are: lists are used when we need to store in the ordered fashion, and tuples when there is no updates or like manipulations, and we use sets when there is unique unordered collections, and dictionaries when it is of key value pairs. Thanks on making it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. In this session, we summarized all the collection data types that we learned, and in the next video, we are going to learn conditional statements. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and leave a like if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.